Whiteboard Painted Wall Quotes for January, inspiring words to start the year right. When a new year begins, it brings with it the perfect opportunity to reset, recharge, and refocus on what matters most. For those looking to embrace the spirit of new beginnings, a whiteboard painted wall adorned with January quotes can be the perfect canvas for inspiration. To help you get started, we've gathered 5 categories of January-themed quotes for your whiteboard wall, ranging from fresh starts to humorous takes on the month, to inspire and delight as you embark on your new year. New beginnings and fresh starts. The beginning is always today, Mary Wollstonecraft. January is the month for dreaming, Jean Hersey. Winter and January reflections. January brings the snow, makes our feet and fingers glow, Sarah Coleridge. In the depth of winter, I finally learned that there was in me an invincible summer, Albert Camus. Motivation and inspiration. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams, Eleanor Roosevelt. What the new year brings to you depends on what you bring to the new year, Vern McClellan. Literary quotes about January. January brings the snow, makes our feet and fingers glow, Sarah Coleridge. No one ever regarded the 1st of January with indifference, Charles Lamb. To create your own whiteboard wall and showcase your January quotes in style, explore our premium whiteboard paint options today. Call us at 800-936-2159 and speak with a friendly coding specialist. Or visit us at www.remarkablecoating.com to explore our range of products.